What if you could build an entire dropshipping store just by typing one sentence? No product research, no manual setup, no hours spent building pages. You just tell AI what you want and it actually does it all for you. So normally when you start dropshipping, the entire process is very time consuming. You have product research, which can take days to find a winner, and then you have to go right back to the drawing board if that product isn't successful. Not to mention building your entire store, writing detailed descriptions, and setting everything up manually behind the scenes, like your shipping settings, payment settings, and everything else you need to do. All of this can take countless hours, if not days. So I had to test it. Can AI actually do all of this for me? So this is something I've been testing lately. It's called Doba Pilot. This is an AI agent that's built specifically for dropshipping. It has a conversational interface just like other tools like ChatGPT, but unlike every other AI tool out there, this one can actually execute on any task you give it. It's not giving you ideas or suggestions the way AI normally does. It can literally find products, list them, source them, build stores, anything you need it to. Like watch this, you guys can type in anything, like help me build a Shopify store in the outdoor niche. We'll type all of that in and we'll go ahead and click enter. So it's gonna start by understanding your needs. It wants to determine exactly what you're asking it for. Once it figures all of that out, it's gonna start executing on the given task. So right away, it wants you to set up and connect your Shopify store. You're gonna start by selecting your store style. You're gonna choose your niche right here. You have home and garden, beauty and health, outdoor, like I'm specifically talking about right here, but you also have other niches like clothing, electronics, pets, sports, and so on. You can pick your brand color right here. You can always change all of this later. I feel like green's a good color for an outdoor brand, and you can pick your banner down here. So let's go ahead and go with this one. Like I already mentioned, you can change any of this that you want to later, but all of this is perfect to get started. We'll select all of this and we'll click next. So now it's gonna have us go ahead and create a new Shopify account. That way it can build our store on there. You'll start your free trial right here. You'll go ahead and type in all of your information and sign up for a new Shopify account. So once you create your new store, you'll go ahead and select next. Then you just need to go ahead and pair that new store to Doba. You're gonna go ahead and install that Doba app on your new store. It's super simple. Just click install now and then install the app on your Shopify store. Click install one more time and we should be good to go. So after that, we'll go ahead and click next one more time. And right here, it's just gonna ask for your store's URL. That way it can go ahead and link everything up and install that new theme on your Shopify store. So paste your store's URL right there. And we're gonna go ahead and build it with AI now. And just like that, your new store is complete. As you guys can see right here, that entire process only took 15 seconds to create. And if you guys want to take a look at your new store, you can go back to your Shopify account right here, click on online store, and then right here under themes, you're going to go ahead and see that new Shopify store right here under outdoor. You guys can go ahead and preview your store right here so we can take a look at exactly what Doba came up with. This is a solid starting point. You can always change any of this that you want to later on, but we have a home page, a contact us page, and a catalog with all of our winning products. And you guys can go ahead and clean all of this up later on. You can add your logo right here. You can add any other brand colors. You can adjust this announcement bar. You can change the home page, the product page, anything that you need to. But like I already mentioned, Doba gives you a really solid starting point. This is all you need to go ahead and launch your store. So if you want to make any changes or adjustments, you guys can click edit theme right here. And then once you have everything up to your standards and you're ready for it to go live, just click on publish. Confirm it one more time right here, click publish, and your store is launched and ready to go. So anytime you guys want to preview your store, you guys can click this little eyeball right here by online store, and you can take a look at your store right here that is live on Shopify now. Once you set up your shipping and payment settings, you can go ahead and start generating sales. In the entire process of building your store is normally where people get stuck. They either overcomplicate this and spend days building their store, or get overwhelmed and completely give up before they launch anything. But now you can have a live Shopify store ready to go in just a couple of minutes. But as you guys saw on our live Shopify store, we don't have any products on there yet. We need to go ahead and find some winning products to populate our store. And Doba Pilot can help you do that as well. So I'll go back and I'll type in find 20 trending outdoor products under $50 with at least 25% margins. You guys want to be very specific here. Once you type all of that in, we'll go ahead and enter it. Once again, it's going to start by understanding our needs. It wants to understand what exactly you're asking it for. Then once Doba Pilot determines what you want out of it, it's going to go ahead and execute on that task. So right now it's going to go ahead and find the best matching products for you. And it gave me a list of 20 products right here handpicked from Doba Pilot. And these are all products in the outdoor niche that should perform well in my new store. So if you like any of these products right here, you can go ahead and select them one at a time, or you can go ahead and select this entire list and upload them to your store in just one click. Like watch, I'll ask Doba Pilot to do that, and then it just wants you to confirm everything down here. You're gonna set your prices, your compare at prices. It wants to know if it should optimize your titles and descriptions for you. I'll go ahead and let it do that, and we'll click continue. So now it's gonna go ahead and execute on this task. It's gonna go through one at a time and upload all of these trending products to your Shopify store. But because it has to manually go through and upload one at a time and optimize all of your titles and descriptions, this can take a little bit of time. But this obviously takes way less time than if you were going through doing this one at a time yourself. Like right here, our estimated time frame is just 10 minutes for those 20 products. That's really not that bad. So I'll go ahead and wait for Doba to do its thing, and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when I have these 20 products on my new store. And you want to find products with high profit margins? That way you still have room for ad costs, platform fees, or anything else. And the reason I chose the outdoor niche is because it's perfect for this video. It's in high demand and it's evergreen. This just means it sells all year round with no seasonal disruptions. You would think outdoor products wouldn't perform well in winter, but you definitely have outdoor winter products like snow removal tools and stuff like that. Or you can run really strong sales for your summer products, but there's no reason these products can't sell year round. And the fact that we're having Doba upload these products to our store with optimized titles and descriptions saves us so much time, because this is exactly where most beginners burn out. Writing descriptions, uploading products, doing all of the research and everything else. So Doba Pilot's really coming in clutch here. All right, and going back to Doba Pilot, this entire task is done now. It took all of 10 minutes, but just like that, we now have 20 hot and trending products uploaded to our new store. And all we've done so far is just type in a couple different prompts. AI is literally doing all of the heavy lifting and hard work here. So here's all of our 20 products right here. We can view our listings right here, and it's gonna show us each product that is sourced for us on Doba. So most of the products you see right here are already being sourced from the US and can get you really fast shipping. But you'll be able to see each product, its recommended selling price, the price you can get it for on Doba, as well as the shipping costs and the profit margin. And of course, you guys can edit any of these listings that you want to. But I'll go back to my Shopify store and I'll click on products over here. And just like that, you can see all of the new products that were uploaded to your Shopify store. And you can manually go through and make any changes to these that you want to. So you can change the title, you can change the description, you can upload new photos or take any of these away. You can edit the color variants, you can edit the SEO down here. Just make sure you clean all of these up before you actually launch your store, because you still have to do a couple things like add tags, clean up your photos and all of that good stuff. But if we just go ahead and preview this product page right here, this is actually a really solid starting point. All you really need to add on here is reviews and upsells, and then you'll have a really strong product page. So we can go ahead and click catalog right here, and we can see all the different products that Doba Pilot went ahead and found for us. So you have like these camping chairs, these hoses, different lights, different outdoor tools. There's a ton of different trending products right here from all different categories. And Doba already did the research. These are hot and trending for other stores right now. So like I mentioned, there are a couple things that you're gonna wanna do before you launch your store. Like go back over here to online store, to your theme editor, go ahead and click edit theme. If you guys are happy with the brand colors that you chose on Doba, you can go ahead and leave all of this blank. But we're gonna change our announcement bar right here. We're gonna make this a little bit stronger. You guys can say something like free shipping on every order. Or you guys can say something like free shipping all orders over $50. That's another really strong offer that I like to run. Then right here where it says my store, you want to go ahead and change that. You want to upload your brand's logo right there. Right here where it says home, catalog, and contact, you want to change that menu. To do that, you're going to want to go back into Shopify, go over here on the left-hand side where it says content, then click on menus. It's going to be your main menu right there. You guys can go ahead and add any menu items, take anything away, or change these. Like for catalog, I always like to say shop now instead. You want a contact us page, you want an about us page that you can build later, and you also want to track my order page. You guys can download an order tracking app from the Shopify App Store. That way all of your customers can automatically track their orders and they don't have to reach out to you. This will save you on customer service emails as well as refunds and chargebacks down the line. Make sure you set all of this up beforehand. But you just want to make sure you have a very visually appealing branded Shopify store and you guys are ready to launch. Like, it pretty much did your entire homepage for you. There's not much you need to do on here. You just want to build out your product pages so everything looks really good. Then of course, for the back end on Shopify, you guys want to go in your settings, go over here under payments, and then you guys are going to set up your Shopify payments account if that's available to you. And you guys can also use any other third-party methods as well if you guys want to use PayPal, Stripe, or anything else. Once your payments are set up, you guys want to go on shipping and delivery and set up all of your shipping settings. Make sure you have all of your different shipping rates set up for all the different zones you offer. And then once all of this is set up and good to go, make sure you place a sample order on your store. You want to confirm everything's running right. You can always refund this later, but you just want to confirm that people can actually place orders from your store. I see so many beginners launch their store and forget to do something like this, and then they run ads and wonder why they're not making any sales. When in reality, your customers can't buy from you, so always make sure beforehand that they can. But once all of this is set up on your Shopify store's theme as well as the back end, you guys are ready to launch. And honestly, from what Doba Pilot came up with, this store is really good. We have a really strong homepage, we have some high quality products on here. You guys can choose any of these products that you want to focus on and go ahead and start running ads to your store. There's really not much on here that you guys need to change. Everything looks nice, it looks visually appealing, and it's well branded already. And this doesn't replace your overall strategy, but it removes over 80% of the setup work. This just makes your life so much easier. So now that we have a store, the real question is, can AI actually run this business? So that's what it looks like when you let AI build your entire store from scratch. It's fast, it's efficient, but the real question is, can it actually run the business too? That's exactly what I'm testing in part 2. So be sure to like this video if you want to see me go back and actually let AI run this entire business. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.